Hey everyone, I'm Alec and I lead the Streaming Avatar project here at HeyGen. I'm going to show you how to implement our Streaming Avatar SDK and start trying this exciting new tech. The SDK is written in TypeScript and can be added to an existing website as an NPM package. After installing the package, you will be able to create streaming sessions on your website. These sessions provide a window that features an interactive streaming avatar. If you're really starting from scratch or just want to test out the Streaming Avatar API, you can download our Starter React app. It's available on our GitHub. We have instructions on how to get going with our React app. It's pretty simple. You just clone the repository in your terminal and then run npm install to install the packages. After that, you can start the React app using npm start, and the demo will be opened up in your browser. In order to use the React app or start any streaming sessions in general with our SDK, you'll need to generate access tokens. These are secure, one-time tokens that expire after your streaming session created with them is closed. We provide a command that you can run in your terminal to generate an access token with your API key or trial token. Once you have a working session, you can start sending tasks to the Streaming Avatar API. Each task is composed of text and session ID. When the API receives the task, the streaming avatar in the respective session speaks the text provided. You can customize the avatar and voice used. Visit our Streaming Avatar demo to see how to use your own avatar in streaming. Our demo HeyGen Streaming Avatar can answer other questions you have around enterprise pricing and more. Just go visit HeyGen Labs and chat with our Streaming Avatar to ask it questions. Thanks for watching.